Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert PDF to Excel free. So here I show you different three ways to convert PDF to Excel freely. So let's start. So this is my PDF. You can see here I have a purchase data in 4 pages. Just drag here and you can see here the all data. So first open your blank Excel file. So here I open the Excel file. Then go to the data. Then in get and transform data, just click on the get data. Then click on the from file. Then click on the from PDF. And wait for the few seconds. Then select your PDF. So I open my PDF and select here the purchase data. Then click on the import. Again, wait for the few seconds to open one dialog box. Here the navigator dialog box is open and in display option the purchase data PDF folder is created. In this PDF these are the data available. These table 4 and these are the 4 pages. And here you can check the preview of the data. If you want to convert the table 1 to Excel, select the table 1 and check here the preview. After that just click on the load. Same as if you want to convert the page 1 to Excel, you just select it and click on the load option. So I select here the table 4 to convert to Excel and click on the load. Wait for the few seconds. Here the processing and your PDF data is here. So this is the first way you can convert the PDF to Excel freely. The second way, open your Word document. Okay, click on the file. Click on the open option, then click on the browse. Then select your PDF those you want to convert. Just click on the open and click on OK. And here you see the full data is in Word document. Then select your entire data. You just drag it and select it. You just select the one and use the Control A to select the entire data. Then right click of the mouse, click on the copy, then open the blank Excel. So I use here Control N and use the Control V to paste here data. See, when I paste this data is not properly pasted here. It's combined two column in one column. When I double click on here, you can see date and product name is combined in one column. So it's showing for only this data. Your data you can paste properly also. If your data not paste properly, you can use the different trick to split the data as you want. You can see the total amount also shift in price and price is shift in quantity column. Okay. So you can split by using the other option of the Excel. So let's see for third way. Just open your browser. I just open here my Google Chrome and search the small PDF. Okay. Here you can use the free trial. Okay. Then click on the convert option. Then click on the PDF to Excel option. Select the file those you want to convert. I just select here my purchase data PDF file and wait for the uploading. And here your PDF converting to Excel. It's done. Just click on the download option and that's it. Your purchase data Excel file is ready. Just double click on here. Bit. And here you see just click on the enable editing. You can edit here. And here the full PDF data convert to Excel freely. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.